Namaste. Namaste, friends. Today we're going to see the subject is life is beautiful. Yes, life is really beautiful. That means we're taking birth somewhere. The birth, growing, changes happening, ourself also, outer world also. Then dying. Then the soul goes to in the soul world. Depends on my karma is get another birth. Life is like a circle or cycle. It's like a journey. Also, the world is the drama stages. World is the drama stages. Everybody is the actors. And how many years we living in the world? Only just 3 days. 3 days? Yes. That means past, present, future. The past is already done, like a death, similar to death. I can't go in my past and doing something better. No, I can't go. That means past is already done. What I did in the past, that benefit I am getting in this present moment. And the future is not a sure. It's not a truth. Okay. The tomorrow morning I am wake up doing meditation. That means we can say maybe I am doing. It's not true. The present moment is the permanent and the truth. What I am doing in the present moment, that benefit I get in the future. Future means next moment, next year or next birth. Anyway, it coming back to me. I'm doing some good karma, good things as this present moment, that benefit I'm getting in the future. That means my life is very happy and beautiful. And another funny thing is my understanding in my life or your life. We buying something, for example, mobile phone. They giving 2 years warranty or guarantee. If I am buying a car, the car company also giving 5 years guarantee. And even the backpack, the company also giving 10 years warranty. We buying things as everything have a many years warranty, but our life not warranty and guarantee. What is our purpose of life? Okay, some people too much money making, looking forward to happiness, and some people too many labels. I'm rich person, I'm great, I'm that, I'm this, like that. For example, I am buying a car. Okay, that car, how many days giving happiness? 10 days or 20 days? After that, automatically the mind creating detachment or become car was boring. I'm looking forward to another advanced car or better car. Okay, that means the world thinks us everything giving only temporary happiness. Okay, percentage of happiness. Then we looking forward to other things. Okay, we thinking in my neighbor have a BMW car. He was a very happiest person. No, not like that. That person also looking forward to something else, advance. Understand? Then, what is real happiness? The real happiness is understanding yourself or learning yourself. Who am I? Who are you? Where I am coming from? Where I am going? What is the goal of our life? What is karma? What is dharma? Dharma means right path. Okay. And As much understanding ourselves, that much we feeling very happy and bliss, satisfaction, relaxing, calmness. And the understanding way of the happiness is the yoga and meditation. Yoga means not only yoga practices. Yoga means union. The supreme energy to the individual soul connection is yoga. We doing yoga practices, breathing exercises, mantras chanting, meditation, good karma, charity, everything for this purpose. Okay, as much we doing ourselves good things as that much we feeling very happy and bliss. The supreme energy, that means we have not too many gods, means too many religious, too many gods. No, the supreme energy is only one God. That anyway we can say different names. Only supreme energy is one. There was a bowl of water. Okay, we saying different names calling water, Niru, Aqua, Jalam, Tanir, similar to different names calling. The supreme energy is one. We calling many names. Okay, don't make too much confusion. Okay, and try to do good things as good karma, positive thinking, make become very beautiful life and happy life. Wish you have a wonderful day. Thank you.